Before using the RemoteGo LCD handwriting board, please ensure that the Chromebook's operating system is updated to version Chrome 88.0.4324.109 or above. Connect the RemoteGo LCD handwriting board to the Chromebook. You can use it with the DocuINK cloud collaboration platform. Open your browser and enter the URL https://www.evolaclass.com. If this is your first time using it, please register an account first. After completing the registration, log in to start using DocuINK. Create a document that you need to discuss. You can use the various features on the left side toolbar to annotate the document. For example, use the highlight text. Draw annotations on the document. Commenting feature, and other functions. Finally, you can share the link to this document with anyone to collaborate and discuss.